Alright, what's up, y'all? Y'all know what time it is. It's your boy Keenan. Keenan just felt like cooking. And it's been a minute, but it's time for another Snak-A-Giz. Yeah. And I'm gonna whip up a little snack using everybody's favorite Vienna sausage. Vienna sausages. Yeah, my wife showed me how to hook this up. It is similar to the way we did the sardines. Appreciate y'all checking out the sardine video for the sardine lovers out there. This is a way to hook up some Vienna sausages. Check it. All right, so this is what we're gonna start off with. Can of these sausages. I said Vienna. Vienna. I grew up selling Vienna sausages. And we're gonna mash these bad boys up. Just like that. All right. To that, I'm gonna add a good tablespoon of some grated onion. To that, we got some diced up habaneros, pickled with some vinegar, with a little bit of the juice. All right, we got our mayonnaise. I'm gonna mix that up. I'm trying to tell you, most people like, oh wait, I thought the same thing until I ate this. Look at that. I mean, that's legit. You should already know what I'm going for. It smells amazing. Get a little black pepper for some color. Mix that up. So this is how we're gonna hook these up. I think what they do, they eat it with some crackers or some toast. Be good with some toast. I'm gonna hook one up old traditional style, right? Get on there. Okay. Traditional style. And then we're going to do one with a little Keenan on it. Yeah, you know what that is. You know what that is. A little bit of bacon. And then we're going to do that. A little piece of that cheddar. Then we're going to do it like that. Okay. And then another way your boy likes to do it. I'm going to do that. Had to bite that off to make it fit. I mean, I'm going to eat it. Okay. Traditional. I'm kind of grated onion. With them habaneros and pickled habaneros, boy. Okay. Amazing as always. But here go Keenan number one. With just the bacon and cheese. And a little bit of the Vienna sausage on top. On a whole nother level. Now, you can try to bite this. It'll make a mess. I say just man on up. Man up. Put your hair up and square up. Whatever you represent. Just go ahead and take that all in one bite. If you try to bite that little cracker in half, you're going to embarrass yourself. The crumbs and all that everywhere. Man, I'm trying to tell you. That was the first time I tried it with bacon. And I always wanted to. Well, that is amazing. That is just a little dish that my wife had told me about. Something she used to eat growing up, and I love it. And it is amazing. And it definitely, we keep a can of Vienna sausages on hand just for that. All right, everybody, appreciate everybody checking me out for another Snak-A-Giz. Yeah, your boy gonna be getting them. I've been cooking and, making little snacks in there, but I forget to record.